Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by scoring and softening the transparent paper so the remover can penetrate the adhesive. Use a utility knife to make shallow 0. 5 1-inch vertical scores, then apply warm solution with a sponge, letting it sit 3 to 5 minutes. You want the adhesive to loosen without soaking the wall. Once done, start lifting at a seam or corner with a putty knife. Make sure to keep sections small so the solution stays effective and you avoid stripping paint. You continue by lifting the softened paper while supporting the wall with a low-angle putty knife. Peel slowly to prevent gouging. If glue remains, reapply the warm remover and wait. Then scrub gently with a non-abrasive pad to avoid damaging drywall. For textured walls, use a plastic scraper or a wallpaper steamer for persistent adhesive. Once the paper is gone, rinse the area with clear water and blot it dry. This removes residual remover. You finish by smoothing the surface. Sand any raised adhesive or paper edges with 120-220 grit and fill holes with joint compound, then sand again for a uniform finish. After dusting, apply a primer. Use a stain-blocking type if you see discoloration, so paint adheres evenly. If paint starts peeling during removal, stop, rehydrate the area, and strip only what loosens without force. Make sure to evaluate underlying drywall for water damage, and call a pro if repair exceeds your comfort level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.